Welcome to another video on Andrew's PC. In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to make your PC look more professional. So make sure you stay till the end of this video. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, add me on Snapchat, and join my Telegram channel so that you get the latest updates. Links in the description below. So I want to make my windows look more professional. First off, I'll remove all desktop icons. You right click, you go to view, then you come down here to show desktop icons and uncheck that.